Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. Yesterday afternoon, evening rather, kind of late, I went down to Mr. B's. Now, I haven't been working down there for about 3 weeks because he's been working from home. But I went down and I wanted to see the kitties. And while I was there, I also saw the goats. So I thought this morning I would share that with you. I hope you enjoy. See how close we can get, y'all. Look what's out here. Looky there, y'all. Oh, don't run, baby sweetheart. I wouldn't hurt you for nothing. I would not hurt you. Hey, Bubba. Bubba, come back here. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come back here. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Oh, you're cute. Come here, baby. I wouldn't hurt you for nothing. No, I would not. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. You know me? My goodness gracious, you know me. Aren't you pretty? Look at the coloring, y'all. One leg white, one gray. Isn't he beautiful? That's Bubba. Yeah, that's Bubba. Ooh, that's Bubba. Here it is. That's little Bubba. Look at these babies. Look at that one. Oh, there's a stripy one. Looks like a little tiger. Look at him, strong and proud. The other one ran up under the shrub there, scared. I wouldn't hurt you for anything. I promise you I wouldn't. I can't get any closer. I'm afraid they'll run. Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. That looks like ants, baby. Don't get in those ants. Oh, my goodness. Come here. You've always been friendly. What's the matter with you? Look, y'all. I can't get any closer. Aren't they cute? I'm going to go on. Oh, there's another one over there hiding under that shrub. I see him. Come on out, baby sweetheart. I won't hurt you. I'm going to go away because I don't want him to miss out on getting food. Ooh, boy, when you get to be 74, it's easier getting down on the ground than it is getting up. For sure. Look up here, y'all. Well, you got a wonky looking horn on you. Yes, you do. Hi there. Hi there. Hey, guys. Hey, fella. Hi there. Hey, hi. Come and see me. Hello. Come here. That one's just wagging his tail. Look at him. Twitch, twitch. Aren't they pretty? Hey, little bitty. Hi. They're curious as to what in the world I've got. There's two white ones out there. One of those ones, I think that one right there is Bob Ross. What do you say? What do you say, fella? Oh, you're pretty. Yeah, you're a pretty one. Come here and let me see you. Come here. I want to see you. I sure would like to. I have wrangled these guys before, y'all. They've gotten out of this fence before. And I've come down here and I have had to get them back in the fence and repair the fence. That was a joke. I'm telling you. You need some water. Oh, you've got water right over there. That's it. What do you say, fella? What do you say, fella? You want to eat that? Yeah? You want to eat that? Oh, yeah. You got the weirdest horn I ever saw in my life. Weren't they adorable? I tell you, that Bubba is the cutest thing. Oh my goodness. Of course, I couldn't get a hold of the others, and I'm sure they're adorable too. There's one he calls Puddin' Face. He's got kind of a funny mark on his face, but he's a cute one. He's real fuzzy, lots of long hair. But that Toby, man, if I didn't have Mrs. Key, I'd have Toby. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the kitties and the goats today. And I hope y'all all have a great day. And as always, I hope God is good to you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.